Just a minute ago, whatever it was moved extremely violently and shook this whole bush over here. Eric, let's get the thermal imager. I'm not getting any large heat signatures from the hillside, but maybe if I try and slowly climb down a few feet more.
I'm not about to let you break your neck scaling down the side of a cliff.
Whatever it is, it ain't here now.
After another couple of hours searching the hillside for El Chupacabra, we decided to end our foot patrols and go back to camp.
In terms of our investigation tonight, the criteria that we were using to investigate the Chupacabra was really, really visual. And we didn't catch anything unusual on our cameras. Our chickens even survived the night. Do I think the Chupacabra exists? I don't know. I think that there is enough evidence to support that there's something killing a lot of animals, and there's something that is being repeatedly cited by people who are living here.
And they say that it is much bigger than a ferret.
As to what that is, I don't know, but there's something out there.
When the sun finally peeked over the horizon, we knew it was time to move on. Back in the States, we had the 2 hairs we found in the cave, along with the hair David found in his windshield, analyzed by Dr. Elizabeth Wickham at the UC Davis Forensics Lab.
What happens in this room that's marked biohazard?
There's monkeys with simian AIDS.
Simian AIDS
Yes.
testing in there.
Yes.
That's great, so we're not going to go in that room. So you got our samples,
Yes.
and they're labeled Chupacabra hairs. What is the process of analyzing animal hair?
Well, it's pretty much the same as any tissue.
Are you an extremely hygienic person at home, too? Do you wear gloves all the time? I mean, is this how you open mail at home?
After getting a nearly 2-hour demonstration on the procedures involved in extracting DNA, I was more than eager to hear the results.
This is the DNA sequence results that we got from 2 of the hairs that you submitted.
Now, we submitted 3 hairs, so...
2 of the hairs we got results from, and those are conclusive.
And what are they?
Those are from a human.
They're from a human?
Yes.
100%.
Absolutely.
And the 3rd hair is inconclusive. Why?
An inconclusive result can be you get partial results. In this case, we got absolutely no results from
You
that.
got no
third
result
hair.
at all.
Yeah. The test that we use looks at all mammalian DNA. So if there is mammalian DNA in that hair, it should be picked up.
The results showed that the 2 hairs we found in the cave are 100% human. But the analysis confirms that David's inconclusive hair doesn't belong to any documented mammal, which means it either belongs to El Chupacabra or one of my producers.
Each of those colored peaks represents a DNA nucleotide.
Adenine, thymine, thymine,
Yes.
cytosine, and what's the G one?
Guanine.
Guanine. See, I
Very good. 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4 is not bad.
Yeah.
I read Jurassic Park. All of my knowledge of genetics comes from reading.
Well, what more do you need?
No, that's it, right? That's the whole science. Is just boiled down into making dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Do you make dinosaurs here?
No.
Well,
no, we
that's
don't.
a shame.
My time in Chile searching for El Chupacabra was certainly exciting. The eyewitness accounts were compelling, but the scientific evidence leads me to believe that much of the carnage was probably caused by a natural predator. Until hard evidence of a large bloodsucker is found, I'm gonna have to say that whatever is causing the damage is likely closer to the Kike than Dracula. And as for me, there are many more creature sightings to investigate out there, and I'd better get moving.